ignition, okay to release. Train 1 brakeman, we have good set, good release, good continuity on timetable train number 1. Over.
That's a roger. Good set, good release, good continuity on timetable train number 1. Out.
Terminal brake test.
That's a roger. 20-pound reduction given. Checking for leakage, over.
Roger, showing 20 pounds. Walking the train. Brakeman out.